What if I told you the single most important accessory for your brand new Tesla Model 3 could save you thousands of dollars in paint repairs, yet costs less than a fancy dinner out? It's true! That notorious sandblasting effect on the lower doors is a real problem. But thankfully, the solution is simple. Today, we are diving deep into the world of mud flaps. I've sifted through the sea of options on Amazon to find the absolute best ones for your Model 3, whether you have the classic design or the new 2024 Highland. We're going to compare them head-to-head on fit, installation, and durability to see which one truly deserves your money. Let's get into it. All the links are in the description below. Number 8. Promethium upgraded mud flaps. The A-Permium flaps are designed specifically for the new Model 3 Highland, and they get one thing absolutely right: a simple, no-fuss installation. If you're nervous about taking tools to your new car, these are a great starting point. They are built to pop right into the existing factory holes with zero drilling or tape required. While they provide solid, basic protection, they represent the entry-level option in our list today, focusing purely on getting the job done without any extra frills. Number 7. Jaw Jut Mud Flaps for pre-2024 Model 3. If you're driving a Model 3 from 2023 or older, the Jaw Jut mud flaps are a fantastic, budget-friendly choice. Their biggest win is the simple, no-drill installation that uses push clips to fit into the factory holes, so you can get all 4 on in about 30 minutes. They're made from a semi-rigid plastic that's tough enough to block rocks and grime, but flexible enough not to crack on the first impact. While the design is pretty standard and won't win any style awards, they offer incredible value. For the money, the protection you get is excellent, making them a super practical pick for anyone who just wants to protect their paint without a big investment. Number 6. Siglin Mud Flaps for Model 3 Highland. Now, for the new Highland owners, the Siglin mud flaps are a seriously sleek option. These are custom molded to fit the new body lines perfectly, giving you that clean factory look. What I like here is the secure mounting. Instead of just clips, they use a mix of clips and the original factory bolts. This gives you a much more solid, wiggle-free fit that feels incredibly secure, even though it's still a no-drill install. The material is a durable yet flexible blend that feels premium and is built to handle any weather you throw at it. Number 5. Base Nor Mud Flaps for pre-2024 Model 3. Back to the pre-men models, we have the Base Nor flaps, a true crowd favorite. Think of these as a slightly more refined version of the Jaw Jut flaps we saw earlier. The installation is just as easy. No drilling, just push pins, and they offer fantastic coverage to keep that nasty road spray off your doors. Where they stand out is often in the fit and finish. The plastic feels high quality, the mold lines are cleaner, and they just feel a bit more premium. If you want that classic, effective protection, but are willing to spend just a few extra dollars for a more polished product, Base Nor is an amazing. Number 3. Shademax Custom Mud Flaps for Model 3 Highland. The Shademax mud flaps strike a perfect balance between an easy install and a rock-solid fit. Like the Siglins, they use a smart combination of strong clips and existing factory screw points, so you get the security of bolts without any drilling. This gives you incredible peace of mind that they aren't going anywhere. They are made from a tough composite material that feels incredibly durable and are molded perfectly to the Highland's body for a true OEM look. Compared to the tool-free TSLDRV, you'll need 10 extra minutes and a simple tool for the screws, but the payoff is that ultra-secure attachment. Number 2. Wigoo Upgraded Mud Flaps for Model 3 Highland. Taking the number 2 spot, the Wigoo mud flaps offer a fantastic all-around package that delivers on quality, security, and especially value. Just like Shademax, they use a secure system of clips combined with factory mounting points, so you know they are firmly attached without any permanent modification. The fit is custom molded for the Highland, so they look great, and the flexible material is built to last. Honestly, they offer a very similar level of quality and security to some of the higher-priced competitors, making them an incredible deal. If you want a secure, set-and-forget solution that protects your paint without breaking the bank, Wigoo is a top-tier contender. Number 1. REEVAA Mud Flaps for Model 3 Highland. And in our number 1 spot, we have the REEVAA Mud Flaps. These truly represent the peak of convenience and modern design for the Model 3 Highland. What makes them the best? They combine the premium, flexible material and perfect custom fit of top-tier brands with the effortless, tool-free installation of the TSLDRV. The clips are robust, and the fit is so precise that they feel incredibly secure without needing any bolts. You get that sleek, factory look and fantastic all-weather protection in an installation process that takes less than 20 minutes from start to finish. For the owner who wants it all, looks, quality, and ultimate convenience, REEVAA is at the top of the game, the winner. All right, after looking at all these incredible options, it's time to pick an overall winner. This was tough, because the best choice can depend on your specific needs. Maximum convenience versus maximum security. But for the absolute best all-around package, balancing a secure fit, premium materials, and a great price, our winner is the number 3. Shademax Custom Mud Flaps. Here's why. While the tool-free installation of the REEVAA and TSLDRV is amazing, the Shademax's hybrid system of using both clips and factory screws just provides an unmatched level of security and peace of mind. You get a high-quality, perfectly molded flap that feels like it's a permanent part of the car, without any actual permanent modification. It's the perfect compromise that delivers on every front. But hey, that's just my pick. Which one would you choose? Are you on team tool-free convenience? Or do you prefer the extra security of bolts? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If this video helped you make a decision, do me a huge favor and smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on more Tesla accessory guides. It makes a huge difference for the channel. And remember, all the products we talked about today are linked for you right below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. All the links are in the description below.